and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you top 7 highest paying freelancing jobs from the comfort of your home. And these jobs will be able to pay you at least from $15 per hour to as much as $50 every hour without you having to step out that door every 8 a.m. in the morning, coming back at 5 p.m. exhausted and tired. These freelancing jobs will give you the opportunity to be flexible, be who you are, be independent, and make more money while doing that. If this sounds like what you're interested in, then you must watch this video from beginning to the end, because the number 6 is the one that's busting my brain, and I can tell you that this is the top highest paying freelancing job out there right now. If this sounds like what you're interested in, let's dive in. Hello, my name is Teresa, and if this is your first time of seeing me in this channel, please do not hesitate to smash the subscription button, turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a new video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to tell you that freelancing has become one of the normal things, or what people see as a raving thing out there, and they are not far from the truth. Freelancing is a very lucrative job opportunity that allows you to work from the comfort of your home while making money in dollars from anywhere in the world. Like, sometimes you can even be traveling and working at the same time. It's as simple as that, although you have to have a high paying skill. And this is why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 7 highest paying freelancing jobs from home out there. Okay, and this sounds like you and you want to get started in the field of freelancing, earning from the comfort of your home in dollars, then keep watching this video, and we're going to go ahead and start listing them right away. The number 1 top paying freelance jobs out there is email marketing. Email marketing is a skill set that involves you selling and marketing products, your products or other people's products, through email, right? And for you to become an email marketer, you don't need a college degree to become that. You can go ahead and learn this email marketing skill from places like Coursera, Udemy, or any other platform like that. And once you're able to master these skills, you can become an email marketer, earning as much as $25 per hour to $50 per hour. You can go to places, freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or any other platform, and you can start your freelance journey. The number 2 top paying freelance job out there is copywriting. I love copywriting because as long as you're able to write, you can become a copywriter. For you to become a copywriter, you will need to learn the skill of not only writing, but writing compelling articles or write-ups that will compel people to make a purchase on any website or take any desired action on any website. Good thing about copywriting is that you don't need a college degree to become a copywriter. As long as you have a good grasp of the English language, you can go ahead to places like Coursera, Udemy, Simply Learn, or any other platform like that, and you can get a certification and become a copywriter. More important than getting the certification is learning the actual skill of being a copywriter. You can take courses and then you can go to boot camps or anything, and then you can become a copywriter. But more importantly, make sure you learn the actual skill of becoming a copywriter. The number 3 top paying freelance job out there is graphic designs. For people who are interested in becoming graphic designers, or people who have interest in designs, graphics, you can make eye-catching designs. You can make designs that will compel anybody, to like this or be like, wow, I love this. Then graphic designs is for you, right? It is simple. Like I said, you don't also need a college degree to become a freelance graphic designer. Places like Udemy, Coursera, or any other learning platforms like that can help you a whole lot in becoming a graphic designer. You can also take courses, and at the end of the day, you can become a graphic designer. Graphic designers earn as much as $15 or $20 per hour, and you can also set your own price. That is the good thing about freelancing. You are able to set your own price and work at your own pace. The number 4 top paying freelance job out there is UI or UX designers. These also, like, graphic designers, but you must have an eye for eye-catching designs. You must also know you must have the interest and the passions for design. So you can become a user interface or user experience designers. What do these people do? The apps you use on your phone, the websites you use on your phone, these people are the ones that design the interface, like make it easy for you to navigate your website or the applications you have on your phone. So it will be very easy and not confusing for you to use. So whenever you see an app or a website that is really, really user friendly, that is the work of a user interface or user experience designer. The number 5 top paying freelance job out there is social media management. Oh my God, I love this because there's a lot of social media activities going on right now in this 21st century, and every company, every individual, every celebrity has a social media page. And most of these people or most of these companies find it extremely overwhelming to manage their social media pages. So imagine that a company has Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and every other thing. How possible is it that they can be able to manage all these social media handles by themselves and for themselves? Of course, most times it's extremely overwhelming. So if you have an eye for creating social media accounts, managing it, making posts, editing posts, writing social media contents, and growing social media pages, then this freelance opportunity is for you especially. If you're looking for a freelance job that will pay you highly while working from the comfort of your home with only a tripod stand, then social media management is for you. You can start as a social media manager, freelancing from the comfort of your home, working with companies, with individuals, with celebrities who are interested in you being their social media manager. And of course, as it goes, you don't need a college degree or university degree to become a social media manager. You can go ahead and get a course. Take your time and learn the skill. Of course, you know that in this channel, I am an advocate of people learning the skill properly before trying to make money. If you try to make money before learning the skill, you will lose. You have to learn the skill before you start making the money. And that is the way it is. So you have to take your time and learn the skill of becoming a social media manager, how to manage pages effectively, the ethics of being a social media manager, and then you can go ahead and start charging your worth. There are courses littered all over the place. There's a popular course that I took on HubSpot about social media marketing and social media management. Maybe you can go ahead on HubSpot and check these courses. It is entirely free. The number 6, this one is actually busting my brain because a lot of people are making mad money offering these skills as freelancers from the comfort of your home, and that is funnel building. And what is a funnel? A funnel is a channel through which content creators or coaches sell their products, all right? Their digital products most times. So I like being funnel builders for coaches, people who sell digital products. So the process it takes them to sell this product, from getting the audience, from sending them emails to selling this product, this is what is funnel building, right? So if you're able to learn this skill of funnel building, it pays extremely well. You can create the funnels, you can create the website. If you're interested in learning how to build sales funnels for digital creators and coaches who sell digital products, I assure you, you're going to be making a lot of money. A friend of mine have made over $100,000 on Upwork creating funnels for people. So this is a skill you can learn, and you can become a freelancer earning as much as $50 per hour creating funnels for people on ClickFunnels and other funnel creation platforms. And if you're interested in learning these skills, you can go to Coursera, Udemy, or any other course platform out there, and you can get a course for yourself and start learning funnel building. It pays a lot of money. So if you're interested in becoming a freelancer, that is the top skill I would advise you to go ahead and start learning right now. The number 7 top paying skill out there is website design. This sounds like a lot of people have said this over and over again, but it never goes out of fashion. Every business owner needs a website, and if you know how to design highly converting and eye-catching website, a lot of people would pay you to create their websites for them, and you're going to make a whole lot of money doing that. And so if you're interested in starting as a freelancer or earning from the comfort of your home as a freelancer, then website design is one of the top paying freelancing jobs out there for you to get started with today. If you're still looking around thinking, which one should I go for? Just look through these 7 skills I've listed, then go ahead and go to Google or go to YouTube and start researching about them one by one individually. And I assure you, at the end of the day, you'll be able to find a skill that you're interested in, and then you go ahead and learn it. And once you've learned that skill, the next thing for you to do is to go ahead and look for any freelance website like Upwork, Fiverr, or any of those other places. Create an account right there. To that effect, in my last video, I shared about virtual assistants, right? How to become a virtual assistant. I'm going to link that video right up here. Of course, virtual assistant is also one of the top paying freelance skills out there, although I didn't mention it in this video, but it's also highly lucrative and it has a slow learning curve. You can easily learn how to become a virtual assistant, and it pays you as much as $15 per hour to $20 per hour, depending on your skill set. So if you're interested in watching that video, please go ahead and click on it right here. I'll link it right here. I'll also put it in the description box below so you can go ahead and watch it. And do not forget to smash the subscription button right here. Turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a new video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment for me right here. If you're interested in becoming a freelancer, write freelancing in the comment section so that I will know that you're interested in becoming a freelancer. And you can also get access to my inner calculus membership. I'll put the link right in the description box below. Join my Telegram group and get access to my inner calculus membership group for starters, so that you can be able to get first-hand information about freelancing and other online activities that will put money in your bank account this year.